So to log into our WordPress backend, you have to go to WordPress dot I mean your website name.com/ wp admin. Oh, sorry. So it's because I'm already logged in on this browser. That's why I take it to my backend directly without asking for my username and password anymore. So we already know how to add our products. So to add the products, just come to WooCommerce. So we have the products under the WooCommerce. Then click on products. So which products should we add? Network. So once we click on products, this is the product we added yesterday, which is way in stock. So to add another product, you have to click on add new. So I'm going to open it in new tab. Yeah. Networking. How do you say? Okay. All right. So to find an ideal website, the best thing is first of all search on Google. So I'm going to show us the Google methods for today. So first of all search on Google. To search on Google, like we are building an e-commerce website. But if you are specific in a niche, because we are not specific in any niche, so I'm going to use the general term to search. But if you are specific in a niche, like for instance, you are specific in pet websites or jewelries, any other niche. So you just have to do search with your niche. But because we are for general, so I'm just going to search for e-commerce website template design. So you include sample at the front, then search. Okay, all right. So here we have the 24 best e-commerce website template updated for 2022. So let us do what? Check that out. This blog is from Evanto. So Evanto, they do sell team. They sell teams and plugin. So you can get team from them. If like the team you want to use a premium team, you can get team from them. So here we have some design. So best e-commerce 2022 website template. So the first one we have the port. So it's for Shopify. So mind what you are checking out. That's for Shopify. Then you have to scroll down to find out anyone for other Shopify, Shopify, Shopify. So please, I have a call from my dad, please. So we can also check out design from Shopify, but let's include the tags WordPress. Sorry. So let's check this out as well. I'm sorry, still the same thing. So let's scroll down and find out as for best e-commerce. So let's check. So let's scroll down and find we have Botiga. You have Metro, this is DV, so Astra. Shopmizer, Gem. So we can see that most of them they are having the same uh, something common in what in their first design. So let's just do what view out one of them. Okay. So to check it out, just click on the demo to see how it look like and how it functions. Okay. All right. So this is for the first one we want to check out. So they have different design for the store. So let's check out the first design. We have for architecture agency, main, fashion shop, photography. So what we want is for the shop. So we have the store. So let's check for the fashion shop. Okay, all right. Let's take everything serious. Now, finding an ideal design. We just see like it is simple to find. It's not simple to find though. It's not simple to find. If you think that it's simple to find, then you went to close someone else's website. They will report you. It is your own product, it's your own, but if you clone their design, they have a chance to report you. That's just it. So that's why you have to be what? Very careful while finding out an idea. Miss the color only. If you miss the color and the owner find out that you are using his own design, same structure, you may use your own color. I said it, you may use your own color, your own product, but you use his structure. Even though he change the font, he use his structure, he may report you. Now, even though the free and I'm teaching you the paid one, we are just using the free hosting to do everything. If he reports you, we have this online what is it called? That normally reporting that you have to I mean give your your oh sorry sorry that they used to report even though if it is someone product that you try to steal or you steal someone content that they can report you and you have to do what you have to give an account why you do that. So if the person is going to charge you, if the person is going to charge you for using his content or using his design structure, then you have to pay. Or if you just want you to close down your website, you have to do that. So that does it. So you have to be what very conscious while doing what finding out design. And finding out design, some people will just check some website and rechange the structure. So you have to be careful because in most cases you may come across the both design and you may feel like maybe okay let me just use the both idea to build my own. At the end of the day you end up having someone else design. So you have to be also do what careful. So why doing what? Doing that. So that I have my own templates. I have almost 16 templates. So whenever I have an order, or buyer have what's ordering for website. So I just choose out of my template. Then I know how to do what, how to rearrange it. You know how to do what, not to look as copied. So that's why you have to do what? Huh? I'm not showing you. I say, I'm not showing you. I say, why are you asking me how to get this? I get it. Why I do it? Sorry. Now, to add what our product, first we have to do what, add our product's name. Okay, so the next thing we have to do what, add our long description. So let's copy the long description. So here's the long description. Is this what? We are just copying. Are we really adding the product? However, frustrates me that. So let's add a short description then. Let's scroll back to product. So here we have to do what? Change it from simple product to very okay. First, we have only one product. You can't add the same. I mean, you can't add the group product. For let's first of all add another product. Then before you can add the group product. So let's the okay. I will try to remember this. The variable product. So the variable product is the one that has the color, have different colors, different size, and all that. So change it to variable product. So after changing to variable product, we see that we have the SKU and manage stock, then sold individually. Do you want to sold it individually? Like if you have the blue, red, green, like blue color, t-shirt color, green, yellow. Do you want to sold them individually? Like someone cannot order for the three at the same times, or they can order for it at the same time, like order it in bulk. But if you want to sold it individually, they have to place order for one first before coming back and place another order. But if you want it to be sold in bulk, so you don't need to tick mark the sold in individually. So the next thing, which is the shipping. So we haven't started the shipping yet, so I'm going to show us how to do that as well. So the next thing, which is the attribute. So the attribute, we have to do what, create our attribute. So the first thing, which is add an attribute. Uh, uh, okay, all right. So let's wait why it's still loading. It has a paid version. I think. Free download. Hmm? I don't know. I'm not sure. Okay, let's talk about festival concept. Now, first we have to do what? Add our attributes. So here is what we name our attributes. Like for instance, size, color, whatever and whatever. So let's give the t-shirt a size. and color. Let's just add this those two variations. So the next one, which is size. So medium and large. No, small. Now to do what? To separate the volume. So I don't know how to call this, but this is the sign. Can we see it? I don't know how to call it. So I just know the sign. This sign here. This top one. Mm. Then the next, which is medium, right? And small and medium. Now, if here, okay, all right, we have two options here which says visible on the product page and used for variation. So we want to use it for variation. I don't want it to display in the product page. So just use for variation. Then cancel it. Save that. So we want to add the color. So click on add again. Then color. So I want to give it blue and black. Then we saved again. So we'll do what? We had our very attribute. So to make our attribute function, you have to do what? Come to variation. Then click on add variation. Just click on go. Or we can just do what? Add variation from all attributes. So let's just click. Sorry, let me remove this first. So for instance, we may have more than five attributes. So to just add it all at once, just click on create attribute from all, create variation from all attributes. Then click on go, save. So four variation created from what? Our attribute. So the first one, which is small size for black, then small size for blue, small size for black, and medium size for blue and medium size for black. So here is where you are going to do what? Give it a price. So if you want to add the product image for the blue, then add it here. For the black, then you can add the product image for the black as well. Are you getting it? Then we have to do what? Give it a price. But if you don't have, like, for instance, we have only one image from the site, right? So for us not to do what? Have any issue, we can just leave the image aspect blank. Then it's going to use the default image we have in our added as our product image. So we don't need to add any SQ. We just have to do is give it a price. So let's give the price of the small size can be 19.99 for blue, and for black we say 19.99 as well. Then for the medium size we say 21.99. Okay, all right, 21.99, right? So after adding everything, you don't have to click on save change. Okay, make sure you are clicking on save change. If that you are adding your attribute or you are editing your variation, make sure you always saved. Okay, all right. So after that, let's complete the rest by adding the short descriptions. Okay, the long description. Then we have to do what? Create a category. So remember we have the food supplements category, but this is for other categories. So let's do what create our category by clicking on create category. Then click on create category. So then we have to do what add our tag, which is add. Then what's the name? And here carry on. Okay, all right. So you can add as many as possible category. I mean tags related to your product. So after that, always jump, always leave the extra settings, then jump to what your product image and product gallery. So let's save the image from here. You have to ignore it because it's uh extra settings. So if you do it, it may affect your product or service or whatever you're handling. Okay, where is the product you're cloning? Okay. Serious. So we already know how to do all this alternative and all that. So I'm not going to do that again. So just set your product image.
The question I'm asking,
Okay.
you can see that when you were clicking this product
Mm-hmm.
on the other website, it was giving us some quick view. If you put the cursor on it, it will change to another product.
Ah, like this. No, it's
No,
full.
go back. Ah,
It is full display.
no.
This is
That's not
zoom.
what I'm saying.
Wow. Okay, scrolling down. That we have
But
other products under.
it will show the guy.
Mm-hmm.
It's not this place.
Where?
The other woman. Yes, I think so.
Here.
Okay, just click on that. Don't
Here.
click on the head. Can you see what I'm saying? How
I
can we do over?
yes. Okay, over image. If you have gallery, automatically this is going to be displayed. Do you get it? So sorry, these are products. Okay.
How can we do that one now? Okay, add product gallery.
Showing the formulation.
I can share.
Okay. Okay. So after adding everything, then you have to do what? Publish your product. So click on publish.
Share the billing to detail that
So let's preview our products. Yes. Link products in our here. Okay. All right. So here is what we just did. I got all it on network. Okay. All right. So here you can see what we do, which is the product's name, then our short description. Now you can see our attributes, which is size and color. So once you choose your size from here. See, without the option of any, without choosing anything, we can't be able to add any product to cart. But once you choose your size and color, then you'll be able to add it to cart. So we choose this small size for either blue and black to be 1999, and for the medium to be 21.99. So can we see it? Hmm? So okay, all right. So let me show you what I'm trying to explain by in this attribute image generation. Let's say, for instance, we want to make our medium to be the default, and our small to be the default image, while the medium should be the second gallery image. So let's upload that. So let's update for okay. So this is where we're going to stop. Wait. Ask. Let's take your question. Okay. All right. So now if you choose our medium size and our price, see the image is going to change. So do you get it now? So if you change it back to small, you change the image. Okay. Okay. All right. So that's what I'm trying to explain. If you have the image, like for instance, if you have the blue color image, the black, so we can do what, just add that image to the image aspect there. It's going to display it accordingly. Okay. All right. Ẹ múra ṣeré, Ọlọ́run á pín yín lérè.